Hello, welcome back crafters. I'm Sherry. I'm the Moonlight Crafter. I am showcasing the brand new Stampin' Up! In colors. And in this video, we're going to play with Magenta Madness, which is a striking, beautiful pink color. And I wanted to do something a little different, still quick and easy, but we're going to be using the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. And I don't know if you've ever seen these card packs, but you need to look at these. These are gorgeous. Even if you're not a scrapbooker, which I think is what they were originally intended for, these are great for making quick and easy cards. Tons of cards in one pack. This one I thought was beautiful. You Inspire Me from the heart. They have journaling boxes if you want to use them. If you're making like a family album of recipes in pocket scrapbooking or even in regular scrapbooking. And it also has these larger size cards as well. And they have all different sentiments, and I believe they have 2 of each one. So, oh, and there's some sticker packs in there. It's really cute. So I used one that said, "You Are My Sunshine," the last time I made this card here. And it is very pretty and bright. But there's so many to choose from that I wanted to do another one for today's card. So I'm going to do Embrace today, but I'm going to do the same card. And these are the brand new in colors. We are so blessed that Stampin' Up! Thinks to be trendy and to share brand new colors every 2 years. And so this is one of the colors, which is Magenta Madness. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of our brand new stamp sets. Everything's brand new, can you tell? Oh, the catalog just came out. That's why everything's brand new. Tasteful Touches. And there's a really nice large flower in here that I'm going to go around the edge in Melon Mambo. I thought it was a really pretty color combo. You could use the same color ink, but I wanted to do this time. And I'm just going to stamp around the outside. I'm going to ink up my stamp. Now, I don't know if this is a distinctive stamp or not. I'll have to look that up for you. But we have a new style of stamp called distinctive stamps. And what it is every single time you stamp down, it shows the image in so much depth. And so it looks like you've colored or you've added some dark and some light, and all I did was stamp one time. This must be a distinctive stamp. And I'm just gonna go around the edge. Don't want to overlap them too much. And going off the page is fine. I'll turn my card and I'm just going to keep going. Yeah, I'm doing this because my last video was really, really long and I wanted to do a short video for you guys too. I can do short videos, I promise. Sometimes I just get a little too carried away with my techniques. There we go. So I have stamped flowers all the way around the outside of my card. And then I'm going to put my sentiment in the middle. And that's all I'm going to do. I just really want to showcase the brand new color for you guys. I use my dimensionals to pop this guy up. Do not skimp on your dimensionals. You do not want your card to look wonky or get smashed in the mail. It will be a very sad looking card. So I like to save money just as much as the next person, but if you're gonna go to the trouble of making a card, think about your craftsmanship. It's very important, I believe, that your craftsmanship is at a very high level, that you always do your best work. And that includes using enough dimensionals. Down the middle as well. No saggy cards. Okay. Everything's sticky, ready to go. All right, let's embrace today. Just gonna center it here. There we go. And then I'm going to use our brand new ribbon. I believe this comes in a 2-pack or a 3-pack. And it's this very soft fabric. It's very easy to tie in these bows. And I just do bunny ear, like I'm teaching my kids how to tie their shoes, and cross them over and make a bow. That's how I do my bows. And then I do have to fix them and play with them a little bit, but that's okay. That's how I get bows that I'm happy with. And it's very malleable. It moves, and it's great for making ribbons. And then we'll just take a glue dot and attach that to our card. And I thought about using the matching ribbon. This is the Magenta Madness ribbon. It is also a very soft polyester ribbon. It's very pretty, but I just decided to go with the white this time. We'll use you next time. Now, these glue dots are great, and actually these come out of my paper pumpkin kit every month. I always have extra, and they are great for putting down bows. So I'm just gonna figure out where I wanna put it. And ta-da! A super simple but beautiful card using our brand new in colors. There you go. Embrace today, ladies and gents. And you are my sunshine. And that's just using that Memories and More pack. So you could make a whole bunch of cards very quickly. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching that quick and easy tutorial using the brand new in color Magenta Madness. I hope that you'll watch my other 4 videos, which also have quick and easy cards using and showcasing our brand new in colors. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at the next one.